get some air. Oh, yeah! One more. Oh, baby. Look at this pile again. 1,500 horsepower. Blown injected alcohol fuel for the Killer Bee. Got some speed here. Oh yeah. Pressing those cars. Oh yeah! Let him hear it, folks. Joe Jenkins, the Killer Bee. Great job by the Killer Bee! Let him hear it, folks. Joe Jenkins out of Essex, Maryland. All right, he can hear you now, folks. Let him hear it. Joe Jenkins, the Killer Bee.
Let's go, Killer Bee!
Look at those cars. Uh-oh. Guess who's coming back? Quad Heat Race number 2. Karsten Butler and his team trying to win Heat Race number 2 as well.